Hey everyone! So today...
Hi Mama.
Hi Caleb.
I did this.
Yeah.
Look at that dinosaur.
Oh, very nice. So me, Nafi and Sumaya are going for high tea today. Yes, very nice. We're obsessed with high tea. Well, I love high tea. Afternoon tea, whatever you want to say. And we're leaving the kids. Well, I'm leaving my kid with... I was using the purlin rods today and I've just burnt my head, so it's quite painful. Sumaya's leaving her two children with her husband who's just coming from Bradford right now. I'm leaving mine with my husband at home, and Nafi's leaving Amaya with her husband too. Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Joey, look here.
Ah. Hey, it was in your mouth. Quite nice. Sumaya is so offended because I'm telling Sumaya that this isn't how you drive.
How to drive.
Okay.
I think I know how to drive.
Okay. Finally. Jeez.
What the hell did you just say?
Bye. Oh wow. It's a treat today, so we don't gotta pay the moolah.
Some shit my thing.
Wow!
Do you know what happened? My lips have gone bigger in pregnancy.
No, Naf, the fillers, don't lie. I'm playing. No, she didn't. She really, she didn't get fillers. We ain't allowed to get fillers. It's really funny because Nafi can do fillers for people, but she's unable to get it herself because her husband would say no. This is kind of shit.
No, he's fine.
Nafi is so pregnant right now. 9 months. Look at the penguin. That's why he's like, let me show you how you look like a penguin. But I think it should be better scenery. No, you're supposed to lift your leg up.
I can't, that's the whole
Lift your leg up. Ugh, it smells like piss.
Doors closed.
Sumaya has a table bum.
I don't have a table, Bob.
It is, it's like a table.
No, it's gone up because we went to...
Going down.
You probably did.
But it's like this. Whoop. No. It's like lifted.
Mine is like this.
It's lifted, but it's like...
Mine's like that.
Sumaya has a tiny
Ground
little tush.
floor.
Tiny tush. And mine and Nafi's like...
Doors
Badong, gadong. So this is the OOTD. Come on, ladies. I know one of you are pregnant, but what's your excuse, Sumaya?
What?
Hurry the hell up. And we're late because of these heifers. Hey, heifers, hurry the hell up. Nafi, where's your coat? It's freezing.
I think I've enough waiting.
So there's some selfies going on up in this. Okay, she just said my double chin. I just told Sumaya that I'm just gonna get the English breakfast, or we can get the Earl Grey, and then she just said, "But I thought we have an afternoon tea."
Yeah, because
It is tea, you dumb witch.
I didn't know this was tea.
My
I didn't
goodness.
care it was tea. Why didn't they call English breakfast called tea?
Because English people,
Yes.
with breakfast, they have the same tea. I just made this up, but I'm thinking, using my mind, huh? The Angrisano cheddar, basically. Yeah.
Wait, darling, what?
Yeah, she was like, the Angrisano cheddar.
Why did you give me Angrisano cheese?
Well, I told you, dumb shit, you should have chose.
Like coffee. Yeah. She likes coffee.
Let me tell you. Navi's the only one that would drink a juice when we go to afternoon tea. It's tea. It says it in the freaking name.
I've got medical condition.
Huh.
Nobody likes tea or coffee. Well, not me. It's nice though.
Huh? Oh, for the
I'll
love
try
of...
your tea then.
A
You
few.
actually drink tea?
I love tea.
Why?
Because tea is life.
I don't drink none of it.
Basically, I'm just hungry as hell. And, yeah. So, today, the reason... Sumaya. You're so rude. You're so rude. Which one? Okay, this one. Okay, fine. This is part 2 of the Born Day celebrations. So now, today is just me, Nafia, and Sumaya.
we're gonna have a very serious conversation with people.
Yeah, quite a few people have been saying stuff about my skin, saying that, oh, you're so black and stuff, blah, blah, blah. Saying basically that I'm Tora, Changare, basically saying that I'm very dark skin, and so is my husband. So we're gonna sit down and speak about this because this topic is very annoying. Yeah, so it's featuring myself and my two sisters, and we're gonna be discussing this fully. So good. You guys enjoying it? Nice. She doesn't give a shit. Just give her some curry powder. She's fine.
Okay.
Back up. Nafi needs to go to the toilet.
Flood the toilet.
Flood the toilet. What did you just find?
A piece of bloody long, actually, not even small, okay? Long.
And it's really light brown. Like none of us have really light brown. I'm blonde, black. It's really disgusting, basically. She lifted the jelly spoon up and I was looking at her lifting it up and it was just entwined in the jelly. I don't know, disgusting. The manager was trying to say that it was one of us, maybe, right? Because he was looking, I was like, it's a good thing that mine is this light and it's a good thing that you guys have this tone to your hair anyway. I was like, it's either the waitress or someone else, and he was like, I'll go check. And then we were paying and then he comes with his manager and says that, okay, I'll give you one free afternoon tea. The manager then told me that don't put the video up, basically, don't film that you found a hair. And I was like, why shouldn't I? Why shouldn't I give an honest review of a place? If you find hair in a place, and I'm vlogging the whole experience anyway, I'm not gonna lie and say, yeah, it was amazing. Sumaya found hair in her freaking jelly, okay? So, yeah, the jelly's halal. We wanted to enjoy ourselves. If it was Sumaya's hair, she'd be like, oh yeah, it's just mine. But it didn't even look nothing like Sumaya's hair. If it's your own hair, then the hair would be sitting on top of the food. But when Sumaya scooped it in, the jelly, she scooped it in, she lifted it, and it was just dangling between the jelly. It was disgusting. Definitely wasn't any of us. Anyway, we're going to see the movie, okay?
My stomach's gonna kill me, Malia.
Nafia's such a complacent pregnant woman. She just complains. So I just tell Sumaya that Jennifer Aniston split up with Justin Theroux. I didn't know she was married, but Sumaya said, who's Jennifer Aniston? What in the hell, Sum? Friends. Everyone's seen Friends.
Jamari, nobody knows names.
You don't know the Friends lady.
No, I know that, but I don't know name, do I?
Nafia even knew Justin Theroux.
Who the hell is Justin Theroux?
Theroux.
Justin Timberlake. I know him.
Fun of me so much just because Sumaya is a mute and she doesn't speak. Everyone knows Nafi doesn't say shit. Nafi only speaks when spoken to. And then it's me who likes to No, I like to speak. This is one thing that I like to do. I like to speak. You don't need to speak about things with substance. I feel like you could speak about things that just make you smile. Just speak. Do you know Nafia appreciates that I speak? Like if Nafia, don't you appreciate that I speak? She just went. She's such a witch. If you go out with Nafia and Sumaya, we will just hear silence.
No, we had fun, didn't we?
No, Sumaya and Nafia don't speak about anything. The only thing Nafia and Sumaya speak about is, oh, Sumaya complaining about some medical thing, and then Nafia complaining about some medical thing as well. And then there's me who likes to speak about nice light stuff.
No, you just speak about yourself all the time. That's all you
nice
speak
light
about.
stuff, basically.
Nice stuff, my ass.
Yes, I do. I like to
You're
speak.
vain, for God's sake.
I'm vain.
You're vain.
You bullshit.
You're vain as
You
hell.
lie.
You're vain as
No.
hell. Yeah, you are.
You.
You are.
Don't. I'm like the most unvain.
No, babe,
I'll just take a
she's not
selfie
vain.
now and then.
Oh my God, Malia. The amount of times you speak about yourself in one day.
Well, who else should I speak about?
will
I don't like speaking about people. I don't do ghibat. I don't backbite about anyone. I just speak about
I will
myself.
count how many times you speak about yourself. Oh my God. Yesterday you kept going on and on.
What did I say?
And then in mid-year you're like, fuck this shit. man. Kill me already.
Sumaya.
You're so annoying.
I'm
Listening
annoying.
to your voice. Oh, Khudaya. My Valentine. My Valentine. My Valentine.
Is that Angie?
Hi, Auntie.
If anyone wants sisters, don't have sisters like mine. Have a sister like me. Why? I'm a great sister, okay? Really, Sumaya.
You're going on about yourself all the time, Khudaya.
No, I'm really good. I'm a really good sister, I feel.
You're like, hey, this is Nafi, this is Malia. I'm like, oh, Malia, am I okay? What? Shut up! My hair, okay? It's my face.
No. Okay.
Oh my god, I got a phone call off someone. Oh my god, my husband this. My husband that. Caleb.
Let's rewind. Okay, she began it with, Malia, am I okay? A medical issue. Malia, am I okay? Am I dying? This is what she says, okay? I don't address dumb shits that speak about, am I dying? We're gonna die anyway, okay? I don't want to speak about death. I want to speak about myself.
Such a bitch, Malia.
I speak about you, I speak about everything, but I don't want to speak about death.
Speak about me.
I do speak about you.
yourself all the time.
When Sumaya says about death, I just say, shut the hell up, Sumaya. You're fine. You're gonna die anyway.
You know what happened yesterday? When are you? Then I went to the toilet and had a big shit. That's what you talk about.
Yeah, well, I speak about my shit and nice stuff.
That's not nice.
Oh.
Yeah. Well, when you had shit.
Isn't it better than speaking about death,
Oh my
though?
god, Nafia.
The thing is, when I go to the toilet, I like company in the toilet, okay? I like it when someone's with me in the toilet, i.e. Nafia, or Sumaya, or maybe one of the kids. But I like some company. Don't you like company?
Who?
Both of you, don't you like some company
no,
in the
thank
toilet?
you. I like to be left alone.
I like to speak to someone whilst...
That's why you're so annoying, because you always want to speak. All the time. Even when you're in the toilet, you need a bit of peace.
Moral of the story is, you should speak instead of being a mute.
Malia, I'm not falling asleep.
Nafia, wake the hell up. We're going to see a movie. It's a tiny space. I don't think he's going to make it.
You made it.
He did? I don't know, guys are just really good at driving. I know that was very sexist to say, but they just seem to be very good at driving.
You just did it.
How
Well
are you gonna get
done.
out?
It was tiny. Nafia said she couldn't even get a mini in the space. This is the guy with the great skills. So you're going now, Nafia? Nafia, you better get to stepping.
Oh, come on. Someone...
I ain't going with you fat ass.
Why don't you go to Black Panther by yourself?
Do you know, one day I will go to the movies by myself. I really will. I amuse myself, so I don't need anybody. Do you know what, Nafia? Allah's with you. Go. Go across the
It's not
road.
about that, man. I'm so fat and shit.
Okay, coming.
Malia, go!
Hey, come in, Naf. Come in.
I'm not going until you come.
Allah, she's such a pussy. So we're in Odeon Cinema. Well, we're on the way to, we're outside Odeon Cinema. And it's just me and Sumaya because Nafia bailed. Because she's just preggo. I don't know, when was the last time that it was just us two and no kids, so?
Never.
I don't even know.
When we were single.
The Ayla's, how old is it? 7. So let's say 8 years ago, basically.
Yeah.
We were gonna pick out the pussy and the wipes, and then we were like, we ain't got no motherfucking kids, we ain't got no motherfucking kids. But alhamdulillah, we love the kids.
We feel bad or we feel good?
We feel guilty, but we feel great.
We feel amazing, actually. Oh my god.
It's a guilty pleasure, this is what it is.
I love you, Ayla,
I love you, Caleb.
Okay, though, we have fun without you for a little bit.
We do love you guys, but
we're just gonna have fun, okay?
yeah, we'll see you later on, okay? It's funny because Sumaya thinks I do this every time and like I'm with my friends every time. It really isn't the case. I see my friends maybe twice in the whole year, I think. That's
I don't
how
even do
much
that
I see my
ever,
friends.
okay?
I don't see them much. It's like, it has to be like, okay, fine. 4 times I see them in a year, that's it.
Whatever, just
Yeah.
the time you went to the afternoon
Yes,
music.
because it was Cyrus' birthday. Okay? That's why.
We'll count how many times, don't worry.
No,
I'll
trust
keep
me, it
count.
is. I don't see them. I don't see anyone but Caleb and my husband and my own family. It's the only ones I really see. So shut the hell up, son.
Who scoffs at tradition. And now you want to hand the nation over to this prince who could not keep his own father safe.
Oh my goodness. Black Panther was like the movie of 2018. It was so freaking good. Sumaya, you loved it, didn't you? Yeah. You guys need to see this movie. It's amazing. So we just got home. Hi, kids!
Hi, Mama.
Good, love you.
Hi, Malia.
Hi.
Malia, good cheese.
Wow! Amazing.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Kayla.
Hey, look at me.
Look at you.
Dinosaur.
I love you, Di. This is the second cake for us, seeing as though there's 3 of us, right? She said Nafia's son is Sum, S-O-M. She did an N. Oh my goodness. Let's lick a little bit. Let's lick a little. Nana Karai, I think. Viji. Son. Son. Yeah, no, it should be Sum. Ma.
1, 2, and 3, okay? Don't ruin the cake. Thank you very much.
Oh, is it? It looked like shit. You should put a few more in it.
Come on, don't be greedy now.
You should do it nicely too. Oh, forget it. You're so rubbish at this. Happy birthday to you. Sammy.
Happy birthday, dear Mali. Where's my
Yeah, all of you. Very good.
Wow.
Good. Tola Mubarak. Allah amda se gati sata.
Yeah, you want this one? So I've had a great few days of birthday celebrations and I'm gonna go to bed in a bit and I need to put Caleb to bed, so I shall see you guys next time. Bye guys.